In this video, I try some matcha recipes. I have a strawberry matcha banana smoothie and a matcha sugar toast. Keep watching for this recipe. I'm trying this without my mics today because when I had them plugged in last, there was like this sound in the background. It was like a weird buzzing sound. Yeah, it was really bothersome, so I'm just gonna try it without a mic today and then work with that later. But I purchased this matcha. It's not ceremonial, so this is not something that I would make as a tea. It does say it can be used in smoothies, shakes, or for creating things like pastries, desserts, things like that. So I'm going to make a smoothie today with it, and I'm going to layer it. So I'm doing I have this banana protein powder, and it's from Truman, and it's a banana cinnamon flavor. So I have about half a scoop of that, and I am going to do a strawberry banana layer. This layer I'll do with actual frozen banana. I'll show you how I put it all together. And then with it, I'm gonna have a matcha sugar toast. I saw this on Pinterest, I think, but it looked really unique and cute, and so I'm just gonna make a bunch of matcha things this morning. To make the toast, all I need is toast, and I have gluten-free toast here. I'm just going to pick the side where the holes seem the biggest. And I have about a couple tablespoons of butter, a tablespoon of sugar, and some of that matcha powder. I have about a quarter teaspoon of that. So I'm gonna melt this just a little bit. I just got it to where it's just starting to melt. And I have about a tablespoon of sugar. I didn't melt the butter all of the way because I want it to be spreadable. So you can melt it for, I did about 20 seconds in the microwave, or you can use softened butter. So it just kind of makes a sweetened matcha butter. Probably could have used less of everything because gluten-free toast is so much smaller compared to a regular piece of toast. I'm gonna put this, I'm kind of trying to do like a thin layer just in case. Anyways, I'm gonna put this in the toaster oven and toast it until it's nice and golden. While my toast is cooking, I'm going to put together this smoothie. Okay, so in one, I'm just going to put simply some frozen bananas. I have one frozen banana, and then I will add a teaspoon of the matcha powder. Oops. I'm gonna do like 2 tablespoons of the oat milk creamer, and then add just a little bit of water as well. I just added about a cup of water. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. There's one layer down. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. No! I kind of knew that was going to happen. That's okay. So pretty. Look at that. So it's a matcha strawberry banana smoothie. I'll put the recipe below and everything that I used. There is my breakfast. So pretty. It is so tasty. Strawberry and matcha combined, it just works so good. I did my first 45-minute workout in a long time, and we have this resistance workout equipment, so they're bands, but it's still weightlifting. It's hard. Workouts that I've done in the past, I've never felt like I got anything out of them, and I would if I stuck with it and did it for months and months and months and months and months. With like weight training or resistant weight training, I feel like I see results personally right away. So I'm terrible at getting into a routine, so hopefully this sticks. This is so good. This would be a great addition if you do like a tea party. It would be unique. I ate that first piece so fast because I worked out like an hour and a half ago, so I'm replenishing. It just took me a while. I loved it very much, and I hope you give it a try. I will see you on the next video.